What's up? Yo, once again. And today, or right now, I am doing some zombies for you guys. I don't know why, but it felt like it. It's awesome. And as you see, we're going back to Black Ops 1, because this game is the best. Oh boy, like the best too. This game has like the best zombies, so we're gonna be playing the moon. The moon. Let's get to it, okay. The moon. Oh, don't laugh at me. Oh yeah, and sorry guys if I hadn't like made a video in a while. I mean, I've been sick and I still kinda am. And I just decided to make another video for you guys. So that's why I'm here. I'm here. Here for you guys. Cause you guys probably wanted this, I don't know, maybe something. So as it loads up, meanwhile, when Wolf Legend is waiting at the title screen. Oh, never mind, okay. Meanwhile, what is it? Jug, okay. Jug. Try and get Jug, guys. Try and get Jug. Run! Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest! No. Can't run. Why? No! Snap. Okay. We were close. Okay. What is it? Let's speak up. Why speak up? Okay, Jug. Ah. Run, Forrest, run. Run. Ah. No. Why? Why this early? Why does it have to be this early? Why this early? Come on, guys. All I wanted is Jug. I'm still running. I survived 44 seconds. Come on. We could do better than this. We could do way better than this. Come on. Yeah, Jug. Come on, please spawn some more, man. Need some more zombies. Run out of time. No! I want Jug. What? How in the hell? Can't hit me if I'm like a foot away from it. Okay. Jug again. Jug once again. The zombies are coming out slow this time. Very slow. Look, none of them. Ah! Oh, wow. Why do I always get trapped in a corner? Maybe I shouldn't be in a corner. Okay. Okay, this time it might go. Nope, nope, this time no. This time no way. Nope. Knew it. Knew it. Totally knew it. Okay. Frick. Trap me. Frick. That dog is on my tail, man. Okay, come on, come on. That was horrible ties. Indeed that was. Boom. Okay. Come on. Back off! I'm gonna get this jug. I'm gonna get this jug no matter what. Knife. Yeah, that's right, dog. I killed you. Mine. That was close. That was really close. No! That will not happen. Okay? Okay, that will not happen. No, no! No. Yes! Come on, guys. Joining the bro party. Frick, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. Frick off! Ow! Yeah, that hurts, right? Oh, frick, I missed him. Well, I'm just going here. I know you guys don't want to see me just running around all the time. Okay, I'm just gonna go for you guys, so you don't have to just wait watching me running around. Well, at least we got Jug. First time getting Jug on this map. How crazy is that? First time getting Jug on this map. Wow.
Hey, why are my guns so light?
It's round one, ladies and gentlemen. And we have Juggernaut on round one. Yes, Juggernaut on round one. Can't you believe? Alright, I'll get with the round. Get done with the round. Need to be round two. Because then, because I still have the double points. Double points, don't run out on me. Don't run out.
Need the juice.
On me. No. No. Ah. Oh, no you don't. No you don't. No you don't. I hate you. Astronaut Greer. I hate you so much. You guys are banned. Boom. Goodbye. Okay, so I'm done with this man. No. You stay away. Stay right there, okay? Get away from me. Stay away from me. I don't want you. Acrimonious.
Everyone's favorite.
Back away. Back away. Ow. Where'd he time I told you no. Come on. Boom. How did that not kill you? I was supposed to kill you. Wasn't it? Ah, there we go. Woo! Made it up top. Sweet. Oh, no you don't. No you don't. Oh, no you don't.
This stuff
No you don't.
is going the other way.
No, okay, maybe. Maybe that. Maybe. Oh,
Well,
that's a lot of zombies.
check
That's a
out
lot of
the
zombies here.
fire, big puppet.
Dang. Actually coming for me. Ah. That's great. Boom. Right. Right, get down. Lay off. Lay off. You guys suck. Lay off, man. Seriously, lay off. Just lay off. Razor sharp, man. I'm totally razor sharp. So razor sharp.
Need a few rounds.
Yeah.
It's a good time for all
Okay.
of us.
Okay. Sorry, got this. Which door is to the M14? Of course, this door.
Weapons getting dry. Need
I'm
some
sorry, I
lubrication.
peeked. Guys. Apparently, it opens both the doors. I'm just gonna come out this door. Woo!
200 yards and one happy
That's
Dempsey.
Earth. Earth. That's where I am at now. Alright, I forgot. Totally missed you out, man. Total folks. 1, 2, 3. Knife. 1, 2, 3. Knife.
No,
Okay, I'm done.
Buttercup.
I'm done, man. Okay, yeah, you guys should explode. Okay.
That's gonna be a bitch.
1, 2, 3.
Not a chance.
Knife!
Pig.
1, 2, 3. Ah,
Well,
screw
want some of this?
1, 2, 3. Ooh, kaboom. That's nice. It's the kill. I'm gonna wait for that. Come on, hurry up and get the round over with. Danger. What if I just like, jump down there? Psh, that wasn't even a rocket. What's this? Okay, let's go. Oh, sweet. Gallon gun too. Didn't even know I got this. Okay. It's time to die. Ah!
I'll keep killing.
360. Woo!
No,
I'm gonna kill this dude with it. Yeah, that was pretty quick. Gotta say, that was pretty quick. Ah! Ah! Get away from me. Okay. I'm fine. I'm good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, snap. Shot in the head. By accident. Ooh, snap. Zombies are mad. Rapid fire! Ew. Snap. That was like 3 hits right there.
not a chance.
And like
My sword.
2 more hits or something, maybe. Okay,
Me
yeah.
puppet.
That was close, man. That was really close. 1, 2, 3. Ba-bow! Ba-bow!
Get off of me.
Yeah, I'll try to stay off. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 5 shots. That's nice. Dun, 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 dun. There it is. Ah! Snap. That was actually some major height.
Yo, over here. Pay attention. Juice.
Juice. It's more juice. Some more juice.
Eat shit and puke.
So, man. No, you don't. No, you don't. It's not going to pay attention to the other barrier. See, that's what happens if you don't pay attention. Yay! Actually teleported me in kind of safe spot. But I almost died right there. So that was actually kind of bad too. So,
Can't believe I get paid to have this much fun. Who else wants some of this?
yeah, who else wants it? Seriously. Oh, wow. I actually got down even though I had jug. Wow, okay.
Let's rock this party like it's 1946.
Yes, we are. Oh, snap. Could have been game over right there. Snap. Yes, I'm so good at jumping.
The other way.
Yeet!
No hugs, Buttercup.
We're good. We're good. Snap, never mind. We're not good. Ah. Oh. That's nice. Thank you. Thank you, strange space dude that teleported me here. Actually, I wanted to be here, so. Ah, yo, where's the M16? I need this. Yep, can't see this. Can I take my helmet off? Oh, no, I can't. Apparently not. Okay. No. Bad zombies. Bad zombies. Meow. Don't get into the pit. MPL is a very bad weapon for this round. Use M16 and I'm down. Wait. I had quick revive. You guys saw that, didn't you? You guys saw that. You guys totally saw that. I had quick revive. Right down the bottom left of my screen. I had quick revive. Seriously? I'm still illustrating. Wow! Okay then. Oh wow. Just wow. That's nice. Let's get it. Speak. Okay. You're welcome. How in the hell? Let's be clear. Apparently, I can't really survive that long. I mean, I just suck at zombies. I want to see how long I can survive doing this. Probably pretty dang long. We did it before. Come on. Damn, that actually killed a lot. So good. Look at that. I look nice. hounds spawning. Hounds everywhere. I'm gonna see if I can get this weapon pack punched. That'd be really cool. But I don't think that would happen. No! Of course it works. Anyway, I'm done. Rage quit. I don't care. Blocking all the haters now. All the haters out there. Screw cross. Like I hate you, you suck. I'm done.